Okay, guys, coming from you from my backyard in sunny California, Los Angeles. Here I want to talk to you about stopping foreclosure with Chapter 13 bankruptcy. If you are in the last moments of a foreclosure, let's say your foreclosure sale date is tomorrow, you actually can file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy today to stop your foreclosure. There are certain things you need to be aware of. Have you ever filed bankruptcy before is a very important question. This information is more general in terms, but before you make the decision to file a last-minute bankruptcy, please talk to a bankruptcy professional, a bankruptcy attorney, somebody who knows what he or she is doing. But what I want you to understand is that Chapter 13 bankruptcy will stop a foreclosure even if you're in the 11th hour. I've had many people over the last decade or so call me and say, my foreclosure's tomorrow, I have no idea what to do. My answer is very simple. You got to file Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Assuming that you qualify for it, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy will stop the foreclosure. It will postpone the foreclosure then. So let's say your foreclosure's on June 2nd and you file bankruptcy on June 1st. The bank doesn't just get rid of the foreclosure. It doesn't disappear. Because of the bankruptcy, it gets postponed. The reason it gets postponed is when you file bankruptcy, there's something that's called the automatic stay. The automatic stay stops foreclosure or stays your creditors. So your creditors cannot attack you with any type of legal action, and foreclosure is one of those legal actions. You also hear about this with things like eviction, wage garnishment, lawsuits, and the one we're talking about is foreclosure. So the important thing to understand is that Chapter 13 bankruptcy is one of the most important tools in any homeowner's toolbox if they are trying to avoid foreclosure. It will stop the foreclosure. It will postpone that foreclosure. It will allow you time to let the dust settle, and then you can figure out what your next move is. Are you going to sell the house? Are you going to refinance the house? Are you going to stay in the bankruptcy and keep the house? Are you going to then try to do a loan modification? All of these options, you need time. If the foreclosure is cutting off your time, use the bankruptcy to push out the foreclosure, which will then give you time to review these other home retention options. Okay? If you like what I have to say here, please comment below. You can always subscribe right here. My name is Josh Sternberg with Sternberg Law Group. I look forward to speaking or helping you if I can in any way imaginable. Thank you so much.